Yeah, fuck yourself.
TikTok, quer sucesso tu vai ganhar, quer mentir tu vai ganhar, mas você tem que fazer tudo que os faixa mano.
Yeah, I've always wanted to live there.
It's like shit, I like Chicago better.
Quer ficar famosa, quer ganhar ibope, quer ganhar ibope, quer ficar famosa, já tu vai ganhar, mas você tem que fazer tudo que os faixa mano.
Yeah, oh! What's going on YouTube? It's Mcleo here. Welcome back to the video. Today we are in Detroit and we are going to do a quick little video, me wheeling through Detroit. You guys enjoy it and yeah, I'll see you guys when we get down there. Yeah guys, thank you guys so much for 200 subscribers. It means a lot. Thank you guys for showing so much love to my ride outs and all of that. It's highly appreciated. My goal is to get to 1,000 subscribers. My bad. I'm trying to churn. I gotta learn how to do that. Very windy today. Take this way. It has been fun these past few weeks. Hey! Little doggy. Excuse me? Because, why does my bike keep ticking like that? It is so weird. Oh!
You know, so we ain't really never had no old money. We got a whole lot of new money though.
Whoa!
Oh shit, boy, I'm gonna move now.
Hey! 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 Are the police? Nina. Yeah. 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 Oh. Hey. What's the city? See you, man.
Yeah, fuck yourself.
All right, let's go. Alright, boys, we're just gonna like.
Drop top, smoking, no cooking, the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Cooking up dope in the crock pot. We came from nothing to something, nigga. I don't trust nobody, grip the trick, nobody. Call up the gang and they come and get you.
Excuse me? Excuse me, do you know where the subway is? Like a subway?
No.
I'm trying to look for a place that has like free water.
No, I have no idea. This is my first time downtown. I don't know.
Actually?
Yeah.
Oh, nice being down here. You like it?
Yeah. What?
Have you been in any other cities?
Yeah, tons. Yeah.
Have you been to New York?
Yeah.
Where that's my dream place.
Is it?
Yeah, I've always wanted to live there.
It smells like shit. I like Chicago better.
So I was like, shit.
It does smell like shit.
Oh,
Chicago. That's my favorite downtown.
nice. I like London too.
Never been to London.
Never have I, but I like watching it. Well, my name's Leo. What's yours?
Alex.
Nice to meet you, Alex. My hand's kind of sweaty, but yeah, do YouTube. Yeah, I'm just doing a POV video. Just I'm thirsty as hell. Woo. That was pretty crazy, but if you guys enjoy the video, make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.